Coconut, corn, zucchini and chia seed cakes with cashew sour cream. Prepare the ingredients. Heat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 cups of soy milk or plant milk and stir until the batter is smooth. Finally slice 2 scallions. Finally chop 1 garlic clove. Grate 1 zucchini. Cut the corn off 1 corn cob. Add the scallions, chopped garlic, grated zucchini, corn kernels into the cornmeal mixture and stir well. Set aside for 15 minutes to thicken. Form the batter into patties 5 centimeters thick. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Add the patties. Place the tray into the oven and bake for 10 minutes. Then turn the patties over and bake for another 10 minutes until golden brown. Meanwhile, drain the cashews. Place them into a blender with the lemon juice. Puree to a smooth, creamy consistency. Add water if needed. Add salt to taste. Serve the cakes with cashew sour cream and salad.